Hi writers. You can see on your screen it says it's important that you get time to write. Instead of writing in a notebook, I have created an online journal for you. I will give you prompts and then you will type a response. We will not journal every day. So because we're not journaling every day, I don't want to put the journal inside a folder. So the purpose of this video is to show you where the journal is going to be stored while we do our virtual learning. So you are currently in your daily folder, and anytime that we do journal writing, in your daily folder, I will provide a journal to-do list. You'll notice it says do not click submit when you are finished. So once you go to the journal, you are going to do these 3 things. Let me show you where the journal is. You're currently in your daily folder. If you go up here and click on writing, you'll see that you have this assignment. It says Virtual School Journal. And that's where you will click and do your to-do list that's listed in Thursday. So if you've forgotten, like maybe you're like already, I don't know what to do in the journal, you go to your daily folder, tells you what to do in your journal, then go back to the beginning of your writing course and your journal is here. So please complete the to-do list in your virtual school journal.